everybody again. Today, we're going to learn lesson 5.6 about estimation. Let's start. It is important that you know whether or not an answer that you have obtained is at least roughly as you expected. This section demonstrates how you can produce an approximate answer to a calculation easily. To estimate, the numbers you are using need to be rounded before you do the calculation. Although you can use any accuracy, usually the numbers in the calculation are rounded to one significant figure. These. Notice that 3.9 times 2.1 equals 8.19. So the estimated value of 8 is not too far from the real value. Work example 21. Estimate the value of 4.6 plus 3.9 over the square root of 398. The square root of 42.2 minus 5.1. 4.6, so you round the numbers to one significant figure. And then you calculate the answer. Now if you use a calculator, you will find the exact value and see that the estimate was really good. 0.45 is not that far from 0.426. In this question, you begin by rounding each value to one significant figure, but it is worth noting that you can only easily take up the square root of a square number. Round 35 up to 36 to get the square number. A good starting point for the questions in the following exercise will be to round the numbers to one significant figure. Remember that you can sometimes make your calculation even simpler by modifying your numbers again. Estimate the value for each of the following. Note the rounded values that you use. And work out the actual answer for each part of question 1 using a calculator. Summary. Do you know the following? An equivalent fraction can be found by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. Fractions can be added and subtracted, but you must make sure that you have a common denominator first. To multiply two fractions, you multiply their numerators and multiply their denominators. To divide by a fraction, you find its reciprocal and then divide, and then multiply. Percentages are fractions with a denominator of 100. Percentage increases and decreases are always percentages of the original value. You can use reverse percentages to find the original value. Standard form can be used to write very large or very small numbers quickly. Estimations can be made by rounding the numbers in a calculation to one significant figure. Are you able to find a fraction of a number? Find a percentage of a number? Find one number as a percentage of another number? Calculate a percentage increase or decrease? Find the value before a percentage change? Do calculations with numbers written in standard form? And find an estimate to a calculation? So, that's the end of this video. Thank you and goodbye.